Hey guys, wanted to let you know, Nakimbi Baobab will be speaking at the AI Profit Summit. During this summit, you'll discover how anyone can create wealth online with little-known AI strategies, calling all passive income seekers. This AI Beginners Summit is for you if you're tired of working for other people and trading your time for their money. Want to create sustainable wealth online? Curious about AI but not techie, and want to learn what's really working? This AI Summit can help you do that. Join 20 industry-recognized experts teaching you beginner-friendly AI to help you monetize and thrive. You'll learn things like 1. Discover simple AI income strategies anyone can use, even if you're just starting out. 2. Get plug-and-play templates to launch your first AI-powered offer fast. 3. Start something real. Build your own online income stream with expert support. Tickets are worth $297, but you can grab yours free for a limited time only. The live event takes place July 22nd to 24th. Join us now. For free for this online live virtual event. Get back your time. Get back your freedom. Get back your life. This offer is open for a limited time only, so don't miss out. Register today.